Where are we at, Braxton?
Rolling Oaks.
Rolling Oaks. What is today?
What?
What is today?
It's Friday.
Friday morning.
Yep.
You boys look pumped.
So exciting.
Want to explain to us what's going on this weekend?
Well, we're working on it, so we're kind of just sitting around waiting.
You're not racing this weekend, but you're going to get points for the races because you're working. We were given directions to help stake around the start. I think like 50. Yeah, grab like 50 stakes. Okay, so we're in charge of making the start look good. All the riders, youth and adult, are coming this way. And they're gonna like go around that kind of mode turn there. Coming down the start, adults are gonna go this way. Little peewees are going that way. Lex, how was that?
Using this thing right here, not recommended. It's a workout.
Well, hey, that's part of this. I did the first half. You did the second half.
Yeah, I'm surprised you did the first half.
Adult and youth are going that way. You can kind of see it. Hey, Braxton, is your tape upside down the whole way? All right, so check it out. So we built all of this. Pretty pumped on all that. All these stakes, all the arrows. We've got it so the PVs go that way. We've got so the adults and the youth go that way. We got all the banner up.
Yeah.
It's honestly not too bad. There's some good spots. Like
Yeah.
where it's super fast and polished.
What did you guys do the mini track or what?
It's not even narrowed.
We didn't get whole track because they're still putting out.
Sam and Father Joe, Dad.
Getting your directions from Ari, paying attention?
I don't know, I'm just gonna sit in the woods.
Dayton's got it going on. You can tell it takes a lot of experience to put this stuff on.
Yeah.
A lot of work, man. Just coordinating where to be and track changes in between races, it's a big deal. People that show up and race, they have no idea all the stuff behind the scenes, huh? A lot to do.
They run right back in and then drop down. Right in there, there's like a little creek that runs through, so they go through it a couple times, just in that area, just to help out the little guy.
All right, Lex had to buy new boots. Show us your old boots over here, Lex.
Let's see what we're working with. Full bottom.
Lex.
Blown out.
My gosh.
Literally this on the bike was like this when I tried to put my foot back on the peg.
Look at all the layers in there.
I know, we got little
It's like double
cushioning.
Wow, yeah.
And little like
Sometimes they're right.
hard thing.
Oh, it's like a piece of plastic in there.
But that's what the inside of a Fox boot looks like.
Those ones lived a good life.
5-year-old Fox dude.
Man, halfway through the last round. I just told him, good thing he wasn't racing this weekend, because halfway through a race, that would have been really hard to ride, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Getting some 3SR stickers for the kids over there. Love it. You guys have been riding forever.
Yeah, we were kind of done. Like we were getting ready to get done, and the kid pulled
Avery.
up.
Avery.
We ripped the adult lap with him.
Another lap?
Yeah.
Nice.
The whole adult lap.
Yeah.
Well, almost the whole dog.
We cut a field section. It was
We caught a little
not
bit.
trying to do that.
That's still sick though. The problem was this hill. They were sending striders down this, and one kid launched and landed down there. One landed in the weeds. So we'll see how the rest of them are coming this way though over this jump. welcome back. Sunday morning, 6:30-ish. Boys are getting ready to go out. We have to meet at the tower at 7. And 3 days straight of riding their bikes. Every morning we kind of pluck the mud up because the rear ears are completely full of mud. Let you ask the boys how they're doing. The way we're doing.
I'm doing, I don't know. Yeah.
I'm cold and I don't want to be up this early. So
What do you guys gotta do today?
help the
I'm
minis,
thinking about so much.
help the little kids. We're gonna be sitting somewhere on the track, on the Pee Wee 2-mile track, and we're gonna help kids out of the mud because they're definitely gonna crash.
Just gonna pull them out.
That's basically
You're
it.
gonna get covered in mud. Yay.
Morning, Kay. How are you?
Good.
Sunday morning. Check out this sick tower. Beautiful. Yesterday it was foggy the whole morning. Like that valley down there, all that fog. It was horrible until about 10 o'clock. I thought couldn't be any better today, to be honest. You boys ready for the day? Yeah. How's it feel to not be lining up over there? Is it kind of weird? Definitely weird to be here and like have no pressure. How about you, Lex?
Feels normal.
Yeah, because I guess you don't race the minis anymore. It'll feel probably more weird here in a little bit when the adults all line up.
Oh, yeah.
So it's kind of cool. You and I get to flag this little race. So they're going to come out of the woods right here, and we're going to kind of get them shooting toward those guys.
Yeah, 3C sticker on. Let's go, you got it. Woo! You got it. Yeah, you hang on, your foot leg's stuck. Hey, your foot leg's stuck. There you go. I don't think it's on. Shift it down. There you go. Dude, this is crazy. Right up here. Right up there, right up there. You let off. You let off. Go. Stalled. Here, get off real quick, get off real quick. I'll get you up, I'll get you up. There you go, there you go. Got this, come on. Keep going. Woo! Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Come right here, come right here. Come on. Here, watch out. Give her gas.
Hey, stay right out there.
Go up there, go up there. Go up there.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Here you go. You good? Woo.
Caden over there with a checkered flag. Nice. I like it. They sent out a cow, whoever catches. So he's going by, row one's going, whoever catches him wins money. It's pretty funny, pretty cool. So they gotta work their way through the woods. It's like 45 seconds. Ian's out front. Toby's leading now. Toby's right there. So they're gonna come dancing through the woods here. I'm gonna turn this off. My job is to shoot them off straight. Here comes Toby right there. So Darius came through the finish line. He's on the other side of the bushes there. Came through the finish line and his bike quit right there. It was out of gas, so he had a little bit, but we're gonna mix him up some gas from our trailer. That way he can finish the race. So it's kind of funny. He quits right at the finish line. I'm like, you really know what to do when got some gas. Can't be out here on a brand new Beta 300 without gas, mister. We gotta get you to the finish line. Got Gavin coming in. Look at me. Yeah, buddy. Woohoo! All right, got Darius some gas. Yeah, buddy. Woo! All the way in, love it. Still out there, just driving around. So it's almost 5:30 p.m. Caden and I started flagging at 8 a.m. when you guys were out rescuing little peewees and minis. So Caden and I have been staying here for 7.5, 8 hours today flagging. Good job, Kay. Way to step up. Not even a worker. Didn't even thanks, bro. Good job. There is nobody left. We're waiting for a sweeper, I guess. I mean, there's like a couple guys dribbling in, but our camper is locked, loaded. We want to get out of here because we got a 4-hour drive home. So, all right, that's the end of it. Good job, NYOA. Good job, NYOA. You won Schoolboy 1. If you would have made one more race, you would have won Schoolboy 2. So we'll call that 2 championships. I mean, you just didn't get enough races in, but you would have won it. Yeah, second in points. So 1 championship, and then youth, I think you're a 4th overall out of however many kids. So that's pretty good. So that's it before this noisy thing comes in. Thanks for watching.